Before you begin, remove the 2 rubber feet, the base enclosure, the battery, the M.2 solid-state drive, the power button board, the left fan, and the right fan and IR board. Removal. Disconnect the following cable connectors from the system board. Left rear speaker, keyboard backlight, keyboard, touchpad module, fingerprint reader, right front speaker, audio board, and right rear speaker. Peel off the retention tape that secures the right rear speaker cable to the system board. Remove the 2 broadhead P0 Phillips head screws that secure the system board to the top cover. Remove the 2 P0 Phillips head screws that secure the system board to the top cover. Grasp the front edge of the system board and lift it up slowly, tugging gently to release the connectors from their cutouts on the left, rear, and right edges of the top cover. Remove the system board. Replacement. Tow the USB connectors on the right rear edge of the system board into their cutouts first. Then rotate the system board so that the connectors on the rear and left edges fit into the cutouts on the rear and left edges of the top cover. Ensure that there are no cables trapped under the system board. Then press down on the system board to secure it. Replace the 2 broadhead P0 Phillips head screws that secure the system board to the top cover. Replace the 2 P0 Phillips head screws that secure the system board to the top cover. Reattach the retention tape on the right rear speaker cable to secure it to the system board. Reconnect all the cable connectors to the system board. Note: the left front speaker, LVDS, webcam, and WLAN antenna cable connectors are reconnected to the system board during the replacement of the battery and the fans.